well, that you're having a good day or night, or whatever other time of day it might be when you're watching this. This is my first YouTube video, and I'm terrified, so if you see some weird, awkward pauses, that's probably why. I am doing this though because I thought that this would be a better format to talk about my outfits. Currently I just talk about them in a text format, and I thought that me holding up the item as I talk about it might be a more useful way to do this. Let me know what you think. Whatever criticism you might have, I would absolutely love to hear it, so yeah, please let me know. I'll be looking forward to reading your comments. Onwards to the outfits. My first outfit is this. The one with the peach dress, which you have seen in the lookbook. By the way, it's on the hanger like this because this is basically how I plan my outfits in advance. Which I do, I plan them in advance. Since planning them in advance really helps to take the stress off me when I'm running around in the morning trying to get ready as quickly as possible and get out of the door. Sleep is important, so I try to get up as late as I can, and I have a lot to do without trying to figure out my outfit, hence planning my outfits in advance. Now, onwards to the outfit. For this outfit, I actually started with the dress. It's this just peach lace dress. Here, I'll hold it up a little closer. And I like to, when I'm wearing a dress, most of the time I'll start off the outfit with the dress, because the dress is usually a statement piece on its own. This, for example, is it would be enough to be an outfit on its own, but it's pretty cold and I like to have some more print or just texture in my looks, so I paired it with this gray jacket. The reason I paired it with this particular gray jacket is, first of all, I really like the combination of pink and gray, and it actually has pink flowers that match, sort of, the pink color in the dress. Finally, the last part of this outfit is this pair of boots right here. It's just an over-the-knee gray sock boot. This was basically, I chose this to echo the gray of the jacket. That was pretty much the only reason. And I like the over-the-knee look. It's still cold here, so over-the-knee works well for me. And finally, this would have been a really good outfit on its own, but I like a little bit of extra drama to my looks. I guess I'm a little bit extra. So I added this necklace. I brought it up close, hopefully you could see it. I just wanted a little bit more sparkle to my outfit. I wanted to make it a little bit more dressy. And if you saw up close, this necklace actually has a little bit of pink and a little bit of gray in it, so it worked with the other colors in the outfit pretty well. So, my second outfit is this. Just like the previous outfit, I started this one with the polka dot dress. Since, again, a dress can be an outfit on its own, and especially when it has a print, it already makes a statement, so it's easier to start with something like this. I wanted to keep the rest of the outfit fairly simple, so I paired it with a long cardigan. It's quite warm. I realized that this might be way too warm for where you are right now, so an easy fix would be just change this up for a denim jacket, a dark denim jacket, or maybe a long sleeve dark shirt that you could wear open with a dress. I paired this look with just a pair of black boots, just knee-high. These are pretty simple. These are actually my everyday boots. Really comfortable. I like that they have a buckle, so there's a fun little detail, and this different texture on the other side. It's, again, just paired these boots because dark colored boots. I wanted to keep the whole outfit dark, so I just paired it with dark boots, keep things simple. And this, like the previous outfit, this is the step where the outfit would have been fine. But me being extra, wanting a little bit of drama, I added this sparkly belt. It doesn't make it crazy. It doesn't add a lot of drama. I mean, because it is dark and it blends into the other colors of the outfit, but it does add enough to make it more interesting. I will ring it up. The final outfit in this lookbook is this one. Probably seeing a pattern, but for this one as well, I started with the dress. This dress has a bit of a sleeve, but it's a very short sleeve, so I felt that I still needed to layer it with something warmer. It's a light color, so I wanted to go with a light colored sweater, which this one is. Just a simple gray sweater to go with the light color of the dress. It doesn't really add much to the outfit except for warmth, but that was what I needed. I actually paired the same pair of shoes with this outfit that I did with the first look, and this pair of gray over-the-knee boots. Same as in the first look, I paired this because I wanted to echo the gray in the rest of the outfit. And yes, you guessed it, this would have been a good outfit on its own. It has quite an interesting print on the dress, so yeah, this would have been great. But I'm extra, I wanted the drama, so I added this necklace right here. The reason I went with this is because the dress does have a little bit of green in it, and I thought that the green worked well with the green colors in the dress. And even though it's sparkly and floral and it's quite a statement necklace, when you actually put it against the gray background of the sweater, it really tones it down. It gets a little bit lost, which is what I wanted. I wanted to tone this down a little bit. I didn't want it to be as dressy of a look as the first version, the first one. And those are the looks. Now, I realized that it's quite likely that it's much warmer where you are. Plus, I'm just generally always cold, so I tend to pile on more layers than the average person, and it is definitely colder than the average spring right now. So, if you need to alter these outfits to a warmer environment, some simple changes. You can change the taller boots to basically ankle boots or even sandals. I wore leggings in my lookbooks. I didn't really talk about them. They don't really add anything to the outfit, just warmth. You can skip those or change them for tights, possibly even sheer tights. You can always roll up the sleeves. That makes the outfit more suitable for warmer weather. And benefit, you can roll them down when the weather gets colder, say in the evening or at night if you're still out. And you can just choose lighter materials. Those would be my tips. I really hope that you found this video useful. I really hope that you got something from it and that you liked it. Again, let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, night, rest of time. Be kind, be you.